you guys order?
No, it doesn't take. Weather for today, it was no clouds in the sky. It was hot, so we had a full day, but I heard that the ocean was warm. Now we're playing some Pong. Grandma is like unbeatable. Who would have thought? I thought you should know that all those prayers you thought you wasted on me. Lily, we have a game to play. Dang it.
Can't scare me, bitch.
Pong, me and Briley. Me and Briley want against everyone. Who are we about to play? Who can grandma? Let's see who wins.
Holy shit, I didn't even finish the hole. Like, run! Oh, it slipped.
Baby, you love me.